As always, don't forget to check the video description down below for the best prices on the parts and tools I use in today's project. 2013 Jeep Wrangler. We're going to check out this ignition switch. It's a common problem for this one and the earlier generation as well. Let's check it out. Okay guys, so first thing we're going to look on in here, and we have this covering right here. And we have 3 fasteners holding this piece in here. It's a T20, and you are going to need something like this. It's a screwdriver, but it's a T20. And even on, I didn't have a problem with this one. On this side, I had to push up so far that it looked like buried, but it did grab a hold of that fastener with this specific Cobalt T20. And of course this one, no problem, it's sticking out there. Once you take these out, we're going to be able to just snap, this will snap off and it'll pull down and off and out of your way. Then we'll be looking at our ignition switch right here. Okay guys, so now I got my piece off here. I also took the piece off top, and now we have a Safety Torx T15 Safety Torx. It's gonna have the hole right there at the top. So I'm gonna use this as a screwdriver. I'm just gonna reach in here. It's just got this one, fastener right there. So focus camera, that's it. So you're gonna loosen it, and you're gonna use this like a screwdriver, but to break the tightness, to kind of first start loosening up, I'm gonna take a pair of vice grips. I'm gonna grip my Torx bit right exactly here where I'm pointing my pointy finger. I'm gonna grip it there, and then I'm gonna reach in with my vice grips and the tool, and I'm gonna go lefty loosey. I'm gonna lift it up. Sorry, camera's out of focus. So we're gonna loosen it that way. Then once we've broke it with the vice grips and this, because it's a tight fit, but that will work, then we're just gonna use this as a screwdriver, that fastener all the way out, and then as we can see, this guy's just loose now. This thing will pop right off. Also, you have this connector right here. You're gonna pull your red tab out, then squeeze your little squeezers right there, pull, pop that out, and then we will pull our ignition switch out. Okay guys, so once you get that last little fastener out, this guy's just gonna pull right out. Now the thing you're gonna want to take note of with the new one is, so this one we just took out, is the location. See that little, I don't know what to call it, but it's positioned in such a way. We look in here and see how it's positioned kind of close. You could see how this piece in here, you could turn it. So I just turned this one so it's different than this one. You can see what I'm talking about. If you take a flathead screwdriver, stick it in there and turn it. You just want to make sure the new one is in the same exact position as the old one. So just take your little flathead screwdriver in there, turn it. That's why they use a Safety Torx, and they're making so much effort to make sure you can't just take this thing out easy, because you could essentially leave it plugged up, take it out, and take a screwdriver and turn it and start the car. So you don't want to be able to steal the car. Anyways, once you make sure that's the same position, we're going to stick it back in there, tighten everything back up, and that's it. That's how you replace this ignition switch on this 2013 Jeep Wrangler. Thanks for watching.